Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
And good evening. Before we presentation, let's pray together. Start. Finish. Okay. In this presentation, we will explain about the basic grammar of English. First, I will explain about the simple present tense. Ya, jadi simple present tense itu adalah suatu kalimat yang menyatakan kejadian yang sedang terjadi. Contohnya seperti di slide selanjutnya. Ada conditional sentence. Conditional sentence itu adalah kalimat kondisi yang terjadi saat itu. For example, if you don't pick me up, I will not come to the party. Terus ada instruction sentence. Ya, ini adalah kalimat instruksi. Contohnya atau example, pour some salt into the egg and mix them well. Terus ada kalimat express opinion atau menyatakan pendapat. For example, ada I agree that penalties should be revoked. Terus ada express ownership, yaitu menyatakan kepunyaan. For example, the laptop belongs to me. Terus itu ada describe feelings. Itu kalimat yang menyatakan menggambarkan suatu perasaan atau feeling. For example, we worry about his current condition. Terus ada kalimat describe a habit atau kalimat yang menyatakan hobi. Contohnya seperti my father wakes up at 5 a.m. every morning. Terus the last sentence is state the apa ini? Itu contohnya seperti the sun rises from the east. Itu kalimat yang menyatakan fakta. Kayak itu kan dalam bahasa Indonesia tadi the sun rises from the east itu matahari terbit dari timur. Nah, terus ini ada rumus memakai simple present tense. Yang positifnya itu adalah subject plus verb 1 plus s or es plus object. For example of sentence, I use social media. And rumus untuk positif yang kedua yang memakai to be itu adalah subject plus to be, am, is, are plus adjective atau adverb. Example of sentence is she is very polite and kind. Terus kalimat simple present tense yang negatif yang pertama rumusnya adalah subject plus do plus does not plus verb 1 plus bla bla bla. For example of sentence is they do not use social media. And rumus negatif yang kedua adalah subject plus to be, am, is, are plus not plus adjective or adverb. Example of sentence is she is not very polite and kind. Terus kalimat selanjutnya adalah kalimat tanya. Rumus yang pertama adalah do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus object. Terus example of sentence is does he use social media? Yaitu kalimat tanya ya. Terus rumus yang kedua itu pakai to be. Seperti rumusnya adalah to be am, is, or are plus subject plus adjective or adverb. Example of sentence is she polite and kind? Itu aja yang bisa saya sampaikan tentang simple present tense dan akan dilanjut oleh teman saya. Silahkan.
Oke, my name is Nakula Catur Mahendra. Saya akan melanjutkan presentasi Iksan. Simple past tense describe events that occur in the past. Oke. Usability. Explain the past event. I met wife in 2020. Explain past event in several periods. Alam lived abroad for 5 years. So, past habits. Budi swam a lot while he was on holiday. Reveal expressions in the past. I was so happy during my study in New York. Describes past ownership. The books belong to my brother. Oke. Rumus-rumusnya ada. Rumus-rumus simple past tense. Simple past tense example of sentence. Positive, subject, verb, to, object. Subject, to be, was, were. Objective, adverb. We attended the festival last week. She was absent yesterday. Negative, simple past tense. Subject did not, infinitive verb plus object. Subject, positive was, were, not, adject, adverb. Example of sentence. We did not attend the festival last week. She was not absent yesterday. Interrogative. Simple past tense. Did, subject, infinitive verb, object. Was, were, subject, adjective, adverb. Example of sentence. Did they attend the festival last week? Was she absent yesterday? Oke, sekian dari saya. Akan dilanjutkan dengan teman saya.
Kenalkan, nama saya Danang Agesti Putra. Akan melanjutkan penjelasan dari Nakula Catur, yaitu simple future tense. Status and event in the future, atau kejadian yang akan terjadi atau keinginan ke depannya. Kalimat positifnya contohnya I will leave it, yaitu kita menggunakan rumus subject plus will atau shall plus verb 1 plus object. Dan kalimat keduanya I am going to leave it, subject plus be plus going to plus verb 1 plus object. Dalam kalimat negatif, dalam bentuk kalimat negatifnya I will not leave it, yaitu rumusnya subject plus will atau shall plus not plus verb 1 plus object. I'm not going to leave it, yaitu rumusnya subject plus be plus not plus going to plus verb 1 plus object. Dalam kalimat tanyanya, will I leave it? Rumusnya yaitu will plus subject plus verb 1. Kalimatnya berikutnya, I going to leave it, yaitu rumusnya be plus subject plus going to plus verb 1 plus object. Sekian, terima kasih.
Ya, silahkan Redjal atau Wahyu melanjutkan.
Oke. Kali ini aku akan menjelaskan degree of compression. Degree of compression itu compare something with another and are only used to adjective and verb, yaitu membandingkan sesuatu dengan yang lain dan hanya digunakan untuk kata sifat dan kata kerja saja. Nah, terus di sini ada beberapa tipe degree of compression. Yaitu ada 3 ya. Di sini ada positive degree dan comparative degree, terus ada superlative degree. Nah, yang pertama itu ada positive degree, talking about an objective operation, yaitu berbicara tentang suatu objek orang. Terus example-nya itu contohnya I am tell it is not useful. Terus ada this flower is beautiful. Terus ada this house is big. Dan she is intelligent girl. Terus yang satunya ada comparative degree, comparing to object or people, yaitu membandingkan dua objek orang. Example itu contohnya I am taller than you, terus ada this rose is more beautiful than those flowers. Selanjutnya ada superlative degree, comparing two or more things, yaitu membandingkan dua pemikiran atau lebih. Example itu the happiest man on earth, terus ada she is the most beautiful dog I've ever seen. Mungkin yang selanjutnya akan dilanjutkan kepada Redjal.
Oke, perkenalkan, nama saya Redjal. Saya akan melanjutkan penjelasan dari teman saya Wahyu. Ini ada form of degree comparison, yaitu bentuk dari degree of comparison. Yang pertama, one or two syllable word, positive degree-nya cold, fast, comparative degree, colder, faster, superlative degree, coldest, fastest. Yang kedua ada more than two syllable word, positive degree careful, difficult, comparative degree more careful, more difficult, superlative degree most careful, most difficult. Yang ketiga ada words ending in E are one or two syllable, positive degree like, simple, comparative degree larger, simpler, superlative degree largest, simplest. Yang keempat ada words ending in Y are one or two syllables, positive degree lazy, easy, comparative degree-nya lazier, easier, superlative degree laziest, easier. Yang kelima ada words that need to be added double consonant, positive degree-nya big, fat, comparative degree bigger, fatter, superlative degree biggest, fatter. Yang keenam ada words that have an irregular shape, positive degree little, little good, comparative degree-nya less, better, superlative degree least, best. Itu saja yang dapat saya jelaskan, selanjutnya akan disampaikan oleh teman saya.
Oke, saya Bagas akan melanjutkan dari Rezal. Passive voice sentence from in which the subject receives action. Tense, simple present. Rumus passive voice. I'm, is, are, plus past participle. Contoh past voice. Is great. Tense kedua. Present continuous. I'm, is, are, being, plus past participle. Contoh passive voice is being great. Yang ketiga, simple past. Was, were, plus past participle. Contoh passive voice. Was great. Yang keempat, past continuous. Rumus passive voice. Was, were, being, plus past participle. Contoh passive voice. Was, being great. Yang kelima, past tense, past present perfect. Has, have, been, plus past participle. Contoh passive voice. Has been great. Yang keenam, tense past perfect. Had been plus past participle. Contoh past voice. Had been great. Tense yang ketujuh, simple future. Rumus past voice. Will be plus past participle. Contoh past voice. Will be great. Tense yang ke-8, future continuous. I'm, is, are, going to be, plus past participle. Contoh passing voice. Is going to be great. Tense yang ke-9, future perfect. Rumus passive voice. Will have been, plus past participle. Contoh past voice. Will have been great. Uses an example. The actor of the stone is Ukno. My money has been stolen. Yang kedua, the original actor is Ukno. Wheat is grown in Karawang. Yang ketiga, don't want to tell the actor of the action. Mistakes were made. Yang keempat, the actor of the action, everyone. Transjakarta is used as an alternative means of the transportation to avoid traffic jam. Yang kelima, the original actor was mentioned in the preceding sentence. Mr. Han are acting on the test. Ari was give Wisman im the Sekian dari saya, terima kasih.
That's all we can say. Lebihnya mohon diambil dan kurangnya mohon dimaafkan. Thank you for attention and goodbye. See you all.